Seedance 2.5 can use up to 30 images in a single generation. So I wanted to see what happens when you actually push it to the limit. So here is the first 30-second video I just made. So how many people did you count in that video? Now here's the crazy part. All of those images and videos were created in Topview Canvas simply by chatting with an AI agent. And I'm going to push this to the limit. We'll create UGC videos, a short movie, trailers, and more. Plus, I'll show you the pricing and unlimited Seedance generation options. So here is the second video. This one is in the warehouse. So how did I make this? Well, here in Topview, I clicked on Canvas and here written a simple idea. Create me a fast-paced video with many cuts. Each second, one staccato cut. Create character reference sheet for all 30 people. And very dynamic prompt as everything is happening in the ER. Model Seedance 2.5. Agent to create the logic and everything. Claude, Fable, Claude Sonnet, Kimi, GPT, Grok, Gemini, everything is here. If you want, you can also choose a skill. So like UGC ads video, Wes Anderson style film, before and after product ad, many different things that you have here, but you don't need to do that as the agent will pick automatically based on your prompt. So clicking next. Now the canvas are open and agent is thinking and creating logic and everything. So as you can see here are all the 30 reference character sheets and images created by GPT image 2. Here on the right side you can see the whole prompt for everything what needs to happen, referencing images and everything written out for us. You see very complicated prompt. I said okay, and after that it generated this video here. You can then edit the video every second of it, frame capture, upscale, and do many things with it. I will explain that later. But then, since I have all of these 30 character sheets already here, I wanted to create another video with it. So I wanted to create Chocolate Factory fast-paced video using all 30 people, and here is already the prompt that it given us. You see every second by second. So we have overall 30 seconds and all 30 images, and that's it. You can then of course describe additional things. For example, just change the prompt slightly. There should be 5 people wrapping the chocolate. So you see continuity, you can do whatever you want then with those 30 images or connect with additional video or additional scenario, endless possibilities. During the conversation you can change the model, for example Qwen, GLM, Kimi K3 and all of the others. So then it generated this video. Let's look at it. Now let's create interesting UGC commercial with female influencer testing 5 different weird comic products. So here is everything in the canvas. As you can see, it created female influencer, Maya Qwen. We can edit with her whatever we want. We can set the character voice, upload or generate audio, and then 5 different products, weird ones as I instructed. So we have emotion support pickle, looking nice. Dramatic exit fan. Emergency applause button. Self-steering cereal spoon. That's a great one. desktop rain cloud. We have all of those. It prepared a scene and the prompt for us, as you can see here, the goal, the references, the hook, and everything. We can then preview the storyboard or click on generate video. Great thing here in Topview is that whenever you click something, you'll see how much you'll spend. So for this Seedance 2.5 30-second video, you'll spend 45 credits. Or for example, if you would like to preview a storyboard using, I don't know, GPT Image 2, 2K resolution, it would cost you 0.2 credits to generate, which is nice. And here is our final video with 5 different products. Let's look at it.
I bought 5 products that absolutely should not exist. Let's test them.
You're doing amazing.
Finally, validation with electrolytes. Perfect for leaving conversations I started. The recognition I deserve. It stirred everything except my confidence. This plant now has its own weather system. Useful? No. Emotionally necessary? Unfortunately, yes.
Now that was a nice one. Now if you were wondering how much the agent spends, so here I use GPT 5.6 Sol and it spent 11 credits for all of this thinking, writing prompts, creating logic and connecting everything. Now here I also started creating a short film that will consist of 7 different connected videos of 30 seconds, so around 4-minute short film. Let's zoom to 50% here. Okay, so here I created the video 1, 30 seconds. I was not satisfied with the last 5 seconds. Then I clicked on the clip edit. Here drag this slider to the last 5 seconds. You can also click here on edit with masks, which enables you additional options. So for example, I can draw a line here around this guy and then describe what I actually want to edit. Here, as you can see, I changed some things about me and my dress as I uploaded my own reference image. So we have this one. And then we also have this one. Very nice. Now I'm not done yet with that film. As you can see, there are many different things and still I need to change the pacing and some clips, but here is the short preview of what is happening. Basically, it's kind of an idea similar to a jigsaw.
One at a time. Say what you see.
3 bars, a circle, 2 notches.
Triangle, 1 line. Short, long, short.
It is not the symbol, it is the gap between them.
Left to right, short gap first.
Yuki first, Marcus second, Fatina third. Wait for the green light.
Only when Mara says.
Now.
Of course, you can create all of those videos directly in the standard environment. Here are all the images that I downloaded from the canvas there, and here is the full prompt. So as mentioned, let's talk about the pricing here on Topview. So Seedance 2.5, let's choose 30-second video, 720p, and the pricing is 45 credits for that. Now if we talk about more details pricing, currently they're offering several unlimited models and plans for Qwen 3.0, MiniMax H3 GPT Image 2, and also 60-day unlimited Seedance 2.5 plus Seedance 2.0 in the Ultra plan. And there are several plans, for example, Pro plan starting from $16 to, for example, Ultra plan that gives you 500 credits a month for $50 and many different unlimited models. So overall, I'm extremely satisfied with this kind of creation process. You can chat with agent and create images, audio, video, connect the storyline and connect all of the videos together. You can use a timeline here even to edit the video. So for example, here from Canvas, I can easily drag the video here and then do additional editing, cutting, and finally exporting the video as a full video or all segments, so images, video and everything as one zip package. So please let me down in the comments which kind of video you liked the most, and I'll see you in the next one.